Hello guys, how are you all? After the success of Mi 9, Mi is planning to launch a cheaper version of Mi 9, that is Mi 9X. So let us see its specs, what specs it comes with and what price and when it is going to be launched. Starting with its display and design, this phone is going to come with an 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. This Super AMOLED display will provide an user with immersive display experience and a rich colorful display which you will enjoy. Talking about its processor and hardware, this phone is going to come with a Snapdragon 675 processor which is clocked at 2 GHz. So this processor is powerful in this mid-range. Coupled with 6 GB of RAM, this provides a very good multitasking and average gaming too. So talking about the main attraction of this phone is its camera. It has got a triple rear camera of 48 MP plus 8 MP plus 13 MP, in which 13 MP is a super wide angle lens. So this camera has performed excellent in Mi 9 and scored high marks in DxOMark camera test and video test. So this phone camera is excellent. Talking about its selfie camera, this phone is going to pack a 32 megapixel of selfie camera to take in detail picture and good portrait photos. So this is all about the camera of this device. Talking about its battery, this phone packs a 3300 mAh of battery with quick charging support and comes with an 18-watt supercharger, and this phone has got a Type-C port for faster data transfer and faster charging too. So the price of this phone is kept around $250 and 18,000 Indian rupees. The launch date is not yet confirmed, but this phone will be launched in China in April 2019. This is all we know about Xiaomi Mi 9X. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.